Target markets for the Replicator. The Replicator is the ideal solution for all types of spraying application, painting, sanding, and sandblasting. The Replicator technology is simple and doesn't require robotic skills, code or programming. It simply mimics the operator's original movement and records it to execute it on another part. For spraying and bonding applications, a universal adapter allows you to attach your tool to the Replicator. The controller features a 2-level trigger that controls air and paint flow, similar to how a manual paint gun works, ensuring for first-rate results and quality. Depending on the type of product to be sprayed, certain options will need to be considered. For example, if the product is solvent-based, ATEX and EX protections will be required. The Replicator is the perfect tool for surface sanding. It comes with a force sensor, allowing the user to adjust the desired pressure on the surface to be sanded. It is designed for flat or slightly curved surfaces without edges or moldings. The movement precision is about 3 centimeters, which is ideal for the type of surfaces. An active compensation unit is a lightweight compensation tool that ensures constant applied force, regardless of the complexity of the surface curvature, processing speed, and orientation of the tool. The Replicator, specifically designed for sandblasting operation, is allowing the operator to control the robot remotely. A system of cameras and lasers resistant to dusty environments enable the operator to remotely control the robot's movements from a control room and gauge the distance from the part to be sandblasted. A simple joystick allows manipulation of the robot in real time, recording, replicating the operator's movements. The operator no longer has to perform extensive and repetitive movements and gets to work on the comfortable and safe working environment. With the Replicator, customers can automate more tasks, specifically the most arduous ones, so their team can be redeployed to operations with higher added value. It's the ultimate tool for reducing labor costs and increasing productivity.